Hi guys, hope all is well. This combination come across when I had a good technical sparring. When I caught his leg and I told him to see if he could come out of it. So I told him to catch my leg and I'll show you what to do. So a split second I just had a good free strike combination. But obviously the easiest way is to pull yourself out of it. Uppercut, hook, southpaw, front hand, jab, uppercut, hook, backhand, and then orthodox, front hand, jab, uppercut, hook, backhand, jab, uppercut, hook. You can change it, mix it and match. Yeah, so jab, hook, uppercut. It does work, so give it a go, see how it goes. And what if your arm, the other arm is stuck and you just have to use one of them? So this would be a great skill to learn. This will build your striking strength. This will help you strike multiple times with one hand. Yeah, to strengthen your strike and help your strike reflex. So straight away, bang, bang, bang with one hand. So you'll be working on your striking speed. So when you do it on the sparring, when you're sparring with somebody, do it really fast. And when you practice it, do it slow and pick up the tempo. So jab, uppercut, cross, jab, uppercut, cross, jab, uppercut, cross. Don't forget to work your both arms, southpaw and orthodox, and also mix and match it. So you can go jab, hook, uppercut, jab, hook, uppercut, or jab, uppercut, hook. Hope you like the video and the video helps. Take care.